Cost-effective towing involves the strategy of minimizing towing expenses while ensuring efficient and reliable services. By opting for cost-effective towing in Calgary, individuals can benefit from affordable rates without compromising on the quality of assistance. This includes timely response, professional handling of vehicles, and transparent pricing. Choosing cost-effective towing services can provide peace of mind to drivers in Calgary, knowing that they can receive assistance without breaking the bank in unforeseen circumstances. Various factors impact towing costs in Calgary, including distance, vehicle type, and additional services required. Understanding these factors allows individuals to make informed decisions when seeking towing assistance. By implementing practical tips such as regular vehicle maintenance, having roadside assistance coverage, and comparing service providers, individuals can minimize potential towing expenses. These proactive measures can help drivers in Calgary avoid unnecessary financial burdens when faced with unexpected vehicle breakdowns or accidents. When choosing a cost-effective towing company, it's essential to consider factors such as reputation, response time, and transparent pricing. Exploring these criteria helps individuals select a reliable and budget-friendly towing service in Calgary. Additionally, highlighting resources for finding affordable towing options, such as online reviews, recommendations from local communities, and comparison websites, empowers individuals to make well-informed decisions when facing towing needs. These resources provide valuable insights and enable individuals to leverage cost-effective towing solutions in Calgary. Implementing practical tips like being mindful of parking regulations, keeping an emergency kit in the vehicle, and driving cautiously to prevent accidents can help individuals reduce towing expenses in Calgary. Additionally, emphasizing proactive vehicle maintenance, such as regular inspections, tire checks, and fluid levels monitoring, can mitigate the risk of encountering costly towing situations. By following these cost-saving towing practices and maintaining their vehicles, individuals can enhance safety on the road and minimize the likelihood of requiring expensive towing services. In conclusion, this video has highlighted essential strategies for cost-effective towing in Calgary, emphasizing factors influencing towing costs, criteria for selecting towing services, and practical cost-saving practices. Viewers are encouraged to apply the insights shared in this video to make informed decisions and minimize towing expenses while ensuring reliable assistance. By implementing these recommendations, individuals in Calgary can effectively navigate unexpected vehicle-related situations with confidence and financial prudence.